Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your financial literacy with Smart About Money, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Smart About Money website. Once you're there, take a moment to explore the homepage. Look for a section that offers resources on financial literacy. Click on the Learn tab to access educational content. Browse through the various topics available, such as budgeting, saving, and investing. Select a topic that resonates with your current financial needs. Read the articles and watch the videos provided for that topic. Take notes on key concepts that stand out to you. Next, check out the interactive tools offered on the site. These tools can help you set financial goals and create budgets. Consider using the budgeting calculator to track your expenses. Input your income and expenses into the calculator. The tool will generate insights to improve your financial habits. Now, navigate to the Courses section. Enroll in a course that aligns with your interests or goals. These courses often include quizzes to reinforce your learning. After completing a course, review your notes and the material again. Join the community forums to engage with others on similar financial journeys. Share your experiences and learn from their insights. Make a commitment to revisit the site regularly. Set a schedule to continuously educate yourself on financial topics. Finally, apply what you've learned to your daily financial decisions. Remember, financial literacy is an ongoing journey, not a destination. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.